Teriyaki beef, tofu and asparagus skewers. To start, combine the beef and 1/4 cup of the teriyaki sauce. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for half an hour to develop the flavours. While the beef is marinating, place the remaining teriyaki sauce in a saucepan over high heat. Bring to the boil and cook for 2 minutes or until the sauce thickens slightly. Set aside to cool. Meanwhile, heat a barbecue grill or char grill on medium-high. Thread the spring onion, beef, asparagus and tofu onto metal skewers. Cook the skewers, turning occasionally for 6 minutes or until the beef is cooked to your liking. Transfer the skewers to a plate, cover with foil and allow to rest for 5 minutes. To serve, divide combined cabbage and carrot among serving plates and drizzle with the remaining sauce. To finish, sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds and spring onion curls. These teriyaki beef skewers have the perfect smoky flavour and are great on the barbie.